Students in the Bachelor of Screen Media will immerse themselves in a diverse range of creative experiences designed to prepare them for the evolving media industry. They will capture compelling visuals on location shoots, exploring real-world settings, and delve into audio production, developing skills in podcast creation, sound design, and storytelling through audio. Through 3D compositing, students will create entirely new worlds, while digital art offers the chance to design and print visually striking works. In the studio, students will refine their expertise in video production, mastering lighting, camera techniques, and directing in controlled environments. They'll also embrace cutting-edge technology with virtual production, blending real and digital worlds to create innovative content. PSC has been a leader in photography education for over 50 years, and we're excited to bring that legacy into the world of screen media. This course builds on our expertise in visual storytelling, composition and lighting, but now applies these skills to broader contexts like video art, documentary and commercial projects. The creative industries are always evolving and adaptability is key. Through innovative assignments and diverse projects, you'll learn how to experiment with new tools, refine your creative methods and embrace change. We want you to feel confident tackling challenges in any professional or creative environment. This course combines lectures with hands-on practice in a studio-based model that mirrors real-world production environments. You'll collaborate with peers, reflect on your work, and develop practical skills in a setting that's interactive and engaging. It's about learning by doing, building the confidence to succeed in a professional media setting.